Yeah, today at GLOJAS, we have this beautiful girl, Miss Globe Malaysia.
This is Anvii Kher, the Miss Globe Malaysia 2023. So I heard about GLOJAS on Instagram, and as I was just scrolling through and I found a few treatments and sponsored videos, and that sort of really caught my attention. So I know and I believe that I'm in the right of hands with GLOJAS, and I can't wait for the result. I just did the microderm and also the fractional treatment. I must say my skin feels fresh. It feels super good. I'm very happy, and the doctor was very gentle. The staff here were very nice and friendly. Like I said, I believe I'm in the right of hands for my journey towards the Miss Globe 2023. And to any one of you out there, if you want pretty skin, make a stop at GLOJAS. It's located at Desa, Hartamas. Trust me, you guys gonna love the result, and I'm sure my skin's gonna look very pretty during my pageant week and also for my finale at Albania for Miss Globe 2023. So thank you so much, GLOJAS, for being on board with me for the Miss Globe. I'm very happy. And also not forgetting Dato Jaswinder, Datin Selwyn, and also all the other doctors here, including Dr. Venu, for giving me such healthy skin. And to any one of you out there, like I said, stop by. Trust me, you'll see the results. Also GLOJAS for bringing out the best in me. Thank you.